Hey traders, welcome back to the Modest Money channel. Today we are talking about the best algorithmic trading software on the market. If you've ever dreamed of automating your trades, crunching numbers faster than any human could, or executing strategies without hesitation, algorithmic trading software is your ticket to the big leagues. But let me be blunt for a second. Choosing the right software can be the difference between skyrocketing your trading success or crashing and burning. The best algorithmic trading software can save you hours of manual work, eliminate emotional trading mistakes, and help you capitalize on opportunities you might have otherwise missed. But choosing the wrong one? That's a disaster waiting to happen. Poorly designed platforms can cost you money, misfire on trades, or even lead you down the wrong path with bad data or clunky execution. That's why in this video, I'm looking at the top 3 algorithmic trading platforms that are dominating the market right now. I'll walk you through what makes each one special, how they can fit different trading styles, and of course, the potential downsides you need to watch out for. My goal here is to help you avoid the pitfalls and make sure you're set up with a platform that fits your goals perfectly. So, whether you're a beginner looking to get started with algo trading or a seasoned trader ready to refine your strategies, stick with me. You won't want to miss this. All right, the first algorithmic trading software I want to talk about is the PowerX Optimizer by Rockwell Trading, a tool designed to take your options trading game to the next level. If you've struggled to find consistent, profitable trades, this software might be exactly what you need. Here's what makes the PowerX Optimizer stand out. It's not just another trading tool. This platform was built by Marcus Heitkoetter, a former IBM employee who turned his passion for trading into a multi-million-dollar success story. With the PowerX Optimizer, you're not just getting a piece of software, you're getting years of Marcus's experience distilled into a user-friendly, effective system. What sets this platform apart for me is its focus on 2 proven strategies, the wheel strategy and the PowerX strategy. The wheel strategy is a straightforward yet flexible approach that starts by selling put options to collect premiums. If you're assigned the stock, you then sell call options to keep generating income. I think it's simple, repeatable, and perfect for traders who like steady, reliable strategies. On the other hand, the PowerX strategy is all about precision and timing. It's designed to identify trends, determine the perfect entry and exit points, and help you manage risk like a pro. And trust me, this isn't just some cookie-cutter system. I believe it's versatile enough to fit both day traders and swing traders, making it a great fit no matter your style. The PowerX Optimizer has made my trading process so much smoother. With real-time market data and an option scanner built for the wheel strategy, it's like having a helping hand to cut through the noise. I really like the diversification analysis tool for keeping my portfolio balanced and spotting new opportunities. The market scans, earnings dashboard, and heat map dashboard give me quick, actionable insights without wasting time. What I appreciate most is how intuitive it feels. From portfolio tracking to a mobile-friendly design, it keeps everything clear and accessible so I can focus on making smarter trades wherever I am. Now, I know what you're thinking. What's the price? Normally, the PowerX Optimizer costs $3,997 with an annual fee of $997. But here's the good news. For a limited time, if you use the discount code in the description, you can save $1,997 off the price, and the annual fee is completely waived. That's a huge discount that makes an expensive tool a bit more reasonable. All right, the next tool I want to tell you about is Trade Ideas. If PowerX is out of your price range, this is a much more affordable option, but powerful in its own right. If you're serious about automating your trades and leveraging the power of AI, I think this is a platform that deserves your consideration. In my opinion, the standout features of Trade Ideas is Holly AI. This is next-level stuff for algorithmic trading. Let me tell you, Holly isn't just a tool. It's an AI engine designed to analyze massive amounts of data and generate actionable trade ideas. What's really cool is that Holly doesn't just hand you a strategy. It evaluates the probabilities, weighs the risks, and adjusts based on market conditions. It's like having an expert algorithmic trader working behind the scenes for you. Or Holly even has specialized versions tailored to different trading styles. For example, Holly Grail is great for cautious strategies, while Holly Neo is optimized for catching volume spikes and news-driven plays. These AI-powered suggestions aren't just helpful, they're smart and adaptive, making them perfect for traders who want to automate their strategies without sacrificing precision. Now, let's talk about Brokerage Plus, which takes the power of algorithmic trading and puts it into your hands. With this feature, you can fully automate your trades by integrating directly with platforms like interactive brokers. I love how it allows you to take Holly's recommendations or even your own custom strategies and execute them automatically. I think it's ideal for traders who don't want to miss opportunities but also want full control over their algorithms. Before automating any strategy, you've got to test it, right? Trade Ideas understands this, and that's why they created this cool odds maker feature. This feature lets you backtest your strategies using historical data, so you can see how they would have performed in different market conditions. For algorithmic trading, I believe this is a must-have. It saves you from blindly executing trades and helps you refine your systems for better results. Trade Ideas also offers pre-built scans that are perfect for identifying algorithmic trading opportunities. Whether you're looking for patterns, volume surges, or technical setups, the scans save you hours of work. And if you're like me and prefer tweaking things to fit your exact trading style, the platform's customization options are incredible. Let's quickly touch on pricing, which isn't bad for all you're getting. Trade Ideas offers two plans, the basic plan and the premium plan, with the premium plan unlocking all the algorithmic trading features like Holly AI and Brokerage Plus. With basic starting at $89 per month, I think it is a great value. It's an investment, no doubt, but for traders serious about leveraging automation, it's absolutely worth it. To make it even better, you can save 15% with the discount code MODEST15. It's a great way to experience the platform's full potential while keeping costs down. All right, traders, let's talk about the final algorithmic trading software I want to share with you today, and trust me, it's a good one. If you've ever wanted a system that combines the power of algorithmic trading bots with a focus on simplicity and education, Nurp could be exactly what you're looking for. What really caught my attention about Nurp is how accessible they make algorithmic trading. Nurp isn't just about making profits. It's about making the process of investing approachable for everyone. Now, let's dig into what makes Nurp special. Their bots. And not just any bots. These are tailored, advanced algorithms designed to trade across a variety of markets. Their flagship Algorithmic Trading Accelerator, ATA. This suite of 5 bots trades stocks, forex, and commodities 24/7, and it's built to adapt to market conditions in real time. I've got to say, it's pretty incredible knowing these bots are working behind the scenes while you go about your day. One thing I really respect about Nurp is their commitment to education. They're not just handing you bots and hoping for the best. They have an active YouTube channel you can check out for free, just to see their approach. But once you join, you'll get access to 14 courses on Forex trading and 30 in-depth modules about the Nurp software. It's designed to teach you not just how to use the bots, but also how to understand the markets you're trading in. Yes, it's an upfront time investment, but here's the thing. Once you've got the basics down, managing the bots takes 15 minutes or less each day. I mean, what's 15 minutes a day compared to the potential profits you could be pulling in? And don't worry about these bots being complicated to set up. The interface is super user-friendly. Once the bots are in place, all you have to do is hit auto trading, and they take care of the rest. It's a perfect balance of automation and control, which is something I always look for in trading software. So, who's Nurp for? In my opinion, it's a fantastic option for traders who want to dive into algorithmic trading, but still value simplicity and education. Whether you're into Forex, gold, crypto, or commodities, their bots are designed to meet your specific needs. And honestly, what I love most is the balance it offers. You get the power of advanced trading algorithms without feeling like you're handing over the reins completely. Okay, there you have it. 3 incredible platforms that can completely change how you trade. PowerX Optimizer gives you tools for precision and strategy. Trade Ideas delivers AI-driven insights and automation. And Nurp makes algorithmic trading approachable with advanced bots and education. In my opinion, choosing the right one comes down to your trading goals and what features matter most to you. Don't forget to check the links in the description for exclusive discounts on these platforms, because saving money on tools that make you money is a no-brainer. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more trading tips and reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!